Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. With former national representative Andrew Richardson set to become the Jamaica Scorpions' sixth head coach in 10 years, CEO of the local governing body, Courtney Francis, admits that this is now a concern for the JCA. Junior Bennett, Gus Logie, Robert Haynes, Robert Samuels, and most recently Andre Coley have all held the position as head coach with the Scorpions since their last regional title in 2012. But success has not been as frequent as the coaching changes, with no regional first-class title since the end of the 5 straight run. That trend has now become a worrying one for the JCA, but Francis believes the results reflect a far deeper issue with local cricket.
It is a concern. Those persons we have named, they're really, some of them, they're competent coaches. The persons you have named would have either coached at Jamaica, and even some of them have matriculated to the West Indies, which means that they would have had the skill set of coaching. However, though, some of the players are not coming through. So there's a disconnect there that we need to come up with a formula for it. What we need to do here at the JCA, and this includes West Indies, is to build out more coaches. So therefore, the coaching can take place at a lower level. And I said earlier in the school cricket, because they're not playing developmental cricket, they're playing the T20 cricket. So they develop a lot of faults.
Coley resigned from his post as Scorpions head coach earlier this month to take up a position at the West Indies High Performance Academy. And captain of the Jamaica Tallawahs team, Rothman Powell, says the recent 60 has been important to the team in finding the right blend.
I'm pretty pleased. I think it's a good bunch of guys. The guys are following the instructions and the guys are putting their hand up at right moments, and I think that's very, very important. We use this T10 as an auction to fill the void for the spots that are open in our CPL team, and I think guys have done extremely well.
And in football, Seaford Sports Club and Yalis United were winners in the 3rd St. Thomas Major League on Sunday. Seaford defeated Hearties United 3-1, while Yalis edged White Horses by 2-1. And finally, Serena Williams will kick off what is likely to be the last event of her farewell tour today at the US Open, when she will headline opening night in a first-round clash with Montenegro's Danka Kovinic. Now, Williams, who 3 weeks ago announced her forthcoming retirement from tennis, will play the 6 p.m. match in front of more than 23,000 fans on Arthur Ashe Stadium, where she has won 6 of her 23 Grand Slam titles. Since announcing her pending retirement, Williams has lost every match she has played, the first in straight sets to Belinda Bencic at Toronto, and then at Cincinnati, where she was trounced 6-4, 6-love by US Open champion Emma Raducanu. And that's it for your midday sports report. Herman, it's back to you.
All right, thanks, Renato. Renato, the entire team is really grieving Francois passing. I understand you guys used to have a nice banter in the mornings.
Yeah, the banter in the morning when I do morning sports, persons look forward to it. I go on the street and persons always ask, oh, it's you. So they don't know me doing sports. It's you and Francois always in the morning.
Right.
And persons miss that, and I will certainly miss that and miss Francois.
Yes, I'll miss it too.